Most people get this wrong. They see ads showing cash prizes and assume Bingo Cash is an easy way to make money. But here's the truth no one tells you. Whether Bingo Cash is worth playing depends on what you're expecting from the app. In this video, you'll get an honest 2026 review of Bingo Cash. We'll cover how it works, what players like about it, what drawbacks you should know, and whether it's actually worth your time. Let's start with the basics. Bingo Cash is a mobile game that combines traditional bingo gameplay with competitive tournaments. Players can join games, earn points by marking numbers and completing patterns, and compete against others for leaderboard positions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many new users think they are directly playing against someone else's bingo card. In reality, players are often competing based on score performance under similar game conditions. Understanding this can help you focus on improving your own gameplay, rather than worrying about opponents. One thing many players enjoy is the simple learning curve. Even if you've never played competitive mobile bingo before, you can usually understand the basics within a few minutes. That's a major reason why people continue using the app. But here's the problem. Easy to learn does not mean easy to win. This is where most people fail. They assume a few early wins mean consistent profits. In reality, performance depends on skill, speed, accuracy, competition level, and sometimes entry costs associated with certain game modes. Take Alex and John as an example. Alex spends time learning scoring strategies and improving pattern recognition. John jumps straight into higher-level competitions without practice. Over time, Alex generally has a better chance of achieving stronger results because he understands the game mechanics. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest factor that determines whether Bingo Cash is worth playing for you. That factor is your goal. If you're looking for entertainment and enjoy competitive bingo-style gameplay, many users find the app enjoyable. The fast-paced matches and progression system can keep the experience engaging. However, if you're expecting guaranteed income, you may be disappointed. Like other skill-based gaming apps, results vary between players. There are no guaranteed earnings, and losses are possible in paid competitions. Another important point is understanding withdrawal rules, available payment methods, and regional restrictions before spending money. Taking a few minutes to review the app's terms can help you avoid surprises later. So, is Bingo Cash worth playing in 2026? For players who enjoy competitive mobile gaming and understand the risks, it can be an entertaining option. For anyone expecting reliable income, it's better viewed as a game first, and a potential bonus second. The key takeaway is simple. Play for enjoyment, understand the rules, and set realistic expectations. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and leave a comment sharing your experience with Bingo Cash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.